But God does still bless you with another happy family. Maybe
Mommy
say.
Titi, they hear what she dey talk.
This day, so I won't
Yes,
listen.
now I not lie now.
Don't
I
mute
be
yourself,
not
Mommy
be I see
Titi.
today for
Don't
Mommy
mute
Joyous
yourself.
platform.
Okay, you see me from Mommy Joyous platform today, right? Today.
Yes.
Okay.
I still
Before
see
today,
you.
wait, before today, you watched the one where she say insult me for Zadi platform last week. Last week. You watch her.
No,
Immediately
me,
she come.
I know watch that one. Now
Now that
today.
one, say now something they leak to something. I know
Yeah.
they watch her, but anything where she do, bloggers they share am. You understand? So she dey accuse me say I get fake account. I no get. Even when I post my pap picture, when I just say my father died, as in 6 months later when my father died, she make write up say I feel they celebrate my dead father, but I know if they celebrate my husband. How did she know that I don't celebrate my husband?
No,
How did she know?
she just mention your name, just talk am because I want know. You understand?
You our
My
fault.
sister,
You are
if you
going
want to know whether she
my sister,
mention my name, you go her platform or you go her
Wamudia.
cocoa, you will see whether
Wamudia.
she dey
My
talk to
sister,
me.
I go Wamudia. Hey, black people, I go
So,
Gavi.
mommy Titi, I beg.
Yeah,
Mommy Titi,
when
just
but they
ignore. I
told
will
them
still
to
advise
yeah,
you
they go
No,
Gavi.
because
I
of
not
your
go
new
ignore
family, because of
again.
your husband. We
No,
need
my
ignore
husband,
because if you not ignore,
my
people will still.
husband back her up. My husband back me up too.
No,
Make we
because
do
if you
am.
not ignore now, people will still
Who they
feel
talk
say
about?
every
My
time
sister,
anything
you
she
don't
say they
hear the
come
noise
up.
where they
Gavi
say, yeah, they ask
Azebi.
you question. Well, I be the mood more than they talk. See, may you sit down and check the matter. If na me dey at fault, I ready to take my blame. You understand? How many years when I will take England this girl? Tell me. If you are in my shoe, how are you
No,
going to
no,
This is
Mommy
actually
Titi,
the
I don't see video about last 2 years when she still apologize to you.
My
That
sister,
I never
that
even see.
wait, that apology na the second time, 2017. She did the same apology. When I not come out for live video, I don't do anything. I don't enter Facebook. She called me 2017. I mean, they tell you now. She don't feel apologize. She go apologize. If you be say like I don't kind of just she go start again. Okay, she apologized 2 years ago. What did she take start? Not be a no game matter. Say okay, if something happen, I not gonna get right to talk. I not gonna get right. The apology video now, like person, everybody on live video say, okay, just to get your opinion. I don't feel hear my own opinion. I don't fit. How long will I take day now like this? How long? You think I don't some things where people they talk, I know they like her to give my own opinion or to give my own experience or to give my own advice. But if I talk her, she will say now she. I get experience of bad marriage where I fair go. If I won't advise anybody, now the bad one when I fair go, now I go take advice and say, my sister, see what happened to me that year. See what happened to me that year.
I will still tell you, say, I bet let's go.
I
Let's
not
go.
go let
Because
go this
today,
time.
because your twins don't grow. Very soon I don't
My
swear
now
husband
make me
house.
now make me now. Me won't do and so that as he see say my children don't grow, my children don't become an adult. Make I see I that the husband I will like they pay. I don't want to face my children for court. Me, I want me all of us reach court. Since me, I don't be here. She they chest me. Tell me say when me not go Jama police. You don't hear you never hear her many times. But I just quiet. You know me say I not fit do anything. Everybody they come inside I too weak, I too calm, I not they weak. Now the children they look.
For the sake of your husband, I will still advise you, for the sake of your husband, just let go.
Na good
Let go, I
evening.
beg.
This one where
No,
I say
that's my
the
contribution.
man leg door boss. Now this one be my topic tomorrow. The leg door boss. Away.
The man like not be the man escort mommy 3D go enter a flight that day. I not see the man like say he bust to.
Na
Ataya.
nika we have been a trouser.
Na nika na e wear.
This leg where we dey see so na nika. This one you know see we get the screenshot too.
Good evening, oh, good evening.
Say, okay, Mommy 3D, Mommy Titi will be screenshot.
I pray near my reservation. A
Ma
reservation.
good night
Who
to
will be screenshot?
mommy Titi, good
A
night.
reservation one no one reserve.
This na saga. You go long there, you go long go. No one may finish
Hello,
your car.
Geda, we are going on one, but you are going to stand up, please.
Okay, good one.
Now, good evening.
Yeah.
Auntie Titi, sorry, dear Guate, Mama Titi. I'm sorry to use this language. Please, please, and please. Owó wọn pa wọn fò. Please, ma, you know our ex-husband, the way they behave before we leave them, it's not the way they behave now. They let their lesson sometimes. Please, as soon as you have children for him, forgive him. Do you know why? Because of your children. You are not there. You are not there now. You not marry the woman, the man now. So nothing where that man will do now that will figure you. Just forgive him because of your children. Do you know why I'm saying all those things? No home very good.
Madam, move on. Madam, move on. Why you never move on now? If it's easy for you to move on.
I will not go on. You never reach your turn. Who
You
they
see,
talk to?
what goes around comes around.
Madam,
Hello, are you
never
talking
reach
to
your
me?
turn.
Or you are
Gladys,
talking
wait,
to
no,
another
that's the
person?
talk.
Is he talking to me?
No, talk. You talk.
Okay. Please, ma, waiting I'm trying to say. Please, ma, forgive him. Even though you are not in the marriage, you are not there anymore. So anything where that man go do, or his wife, or I don't know, forgive them. Do you know why I'm saying all those things? And according to what I hear from another person out there, he said you are in another marriage home. Please face what you are facing concerning your husband and your children. Forgive him. If you don't forgive that man, mostly what I saw now, and the man is sick, and he have wound for his leg. Forgive him. Do you know why? You don't know tomorrow. If you not forgive that man, do you think that the marriage where you did now, you think whether that one is still good, or do you know what is going to happen tomorrow? I'm coming, man. I'm coming. I'm not praying for you for bad things.
This is my present marriage. I don't want any bad prophecy.
Okay. I not pray any bad thing for. Sorry for that. If you don't like that way, sorry. Please, man, forgive him because nobody knows tomorrow. I'm telling you the truth. Do you know why? The character both of you have for the first time before you have children for that man, you don't realize some mistake where you take day bad with him. Also with him too. He don't realize he mistake the time where he did with you. You understand? Okay, do you think that since you leave that man never regret when they say, if you say he know, if for not behave like this with you, he remember many things.
Mama, if he did live video, he go dey curse me, dey curse my children enemy. But outside,
wait.
Mama Mudia, abeg wait, Mama. If camera not dead, anybody will call go say, you no know wetin cause quarrel for him and Mama Tio. You no know wetin cause quarrel for him and that woman. So then you go sit down, the reason wetin really bring quarrel. You no go fit discover, you no fit know. You know, in the regret and which everybody knows. Everybody knows. But in my own case, I no go forgive her. You know why? I forgive am if you no carry me come out on this public view. If like saying do am private.
Okay. Wait, me I not forget what I'm saying. Wait. Okay, you say you will not forgive him, but you call yourself a Christian. If I'm not mistaken, you are going to church. I'm coming. Give me
a
space to
Christian,
talk.
very
Don't
one.
give me chance to talk. I'm coming, ma. Please. You are going to church. When you reach church, every Sunday or any day you go to church, what are you doing there? You will pray to God. God forgive me, or God bless me, or God I need so thing from you. When you know for your heart you not forgive your husband, how do you want God to hear your prayer? Number 1 point. Number 2
Okay,
point.
Mama.
Number
Mama,
2 point.
I say, let me give you the reply now.
I'm coming, man. Number 2 point.
You reply for one, huh?
Okay. I
Okay.
reply now. You know they can't, man. I don't feel reply. To
Okay.
start with, forgiveness will be given when you ask for it. If you don't ask for forgiveness, you cannot forgive anybody. The Bible said, if your brother offended you, before you drop offering at the altar, he said, go and settle with your brother before you drop offering. Has he ever come to ask for forgiveness? When we talk about forgiveness, did he ask for it? If we go to God, you want to ask anything from God, Father, forgive me, for I have sinned against you. Is that man, has he ever accepted his wrong?
If if that man no ask of forgiveness, you sef
So if
just
forgiveness is if forgiveness is dey pending, until he come to ask for, he must kneel down, beg my last daughter.
no
Mama,
Good
wait ma
you
evening,
go beg the
Mama T. I
pikin.
won't sleep. May I
wait.
end my opinion? Good morning, Mama
Pastor,
T.
wait, make faith talk.
Good morning, Mama T. He get question when I want ask you because waiting you dey talk so I did the shoe. I get 12 years old boy. We never even see Papa for face since the born am. I get na my real account I take the talk so. He get where I dey
Which country,
go.
my sister, which country for the swim?
Now France I dey.
Now France, you for born the baby.
Yes.
Wait, if
12
papa,
years.
they don't shoot the papa, what happen?
No, that one of my person. That is I just
This
strong.
man, this man, he like
That
to
is
ask questions.
that is Mama T.
Madam,
If really, Mama T, if really say you
Oh, you
love
get
your
this one.
husband, you get where they go. If really say you love your husband, then the day when I see my present husband, when I deal with so, all the pain when I pass through, all that.
Thank you.
Do you know why I love my husband?
Okay, my
Oh,
sister,
that. No,
your
you get
person
where
wey
they
you
go,
beg
Mama
Mama
T,
wait,
Mama T,
T.
don't wait,
Wait
no, I
now.
want to see that place.
Mama
The girl
T,
dey drag you.
wait. You
Mama
get
T,
where
don't
they
give
go.
her
I
two
want yours
minutes.
drop out. You senior me well. I still say you senior me. You get experience, but I want see talk my own. If I talk, go sleep on top waiting. I won't tell you. Oh, that is when I see my husband. I was in pains for years. If I did work out for road, I go dey curse the man. But immediately I see my husband, I don't get 4 keys for my husband. Now my real account be this. People they watch me, people know me, I know they. Immediately I see my husband, then all the pains when I get for my ex, all die. And if I tell you my story, you go even cry for me.
Wait,
But
when you see the man are leg, meant for the man being a one leg.
no, I say when I see my present husband, all the pains when I get, all
Okay,
die.
the man where you deal with now you dey talk. As you see this, your present husband.
Yes, all the pain when I get
Okay,
for
wait,
my
no
ex.
vessel. If to say as you see this your present husband now, and that your man where you fair leave now, that your ex, he can't go join the new woman where you get. They come they bring you come out every day for social media. They bring you come out. How you fit and do that situation?
I no go manner
You
because
just
do
say
you know
just say
what?
you fit
No, I did not net with this, so I no go manner. Do you know why I'm happy now?
you just say you fit stay.
Wallahi, I no go manner.
Even when they insult your children,
I no go manner.
really?
I no go
Even when
manner
they
for
try
real.
from their city, say they can't beat you for your city.
Okay,
No,
mommy,
Mama T, there is
Mama T,
Mama T. There is
Mama T.
Mama T.
Okay, if they
Waiting, I
can't
won't tell
post
you.
your present husband, like
Respect your husband.
wait now,
Respect your husband.
wait
You dey
now.
disrespect your husband.
I bet
If
not
you no
not
see who
not be
tell
like you
you,
did my
may I
marry, my
tell
own you
you.
dey. Wait, your present husband, they don't they your
You dey
ex,
disrespect your
your
husband.
ex-wife,
It's
they
maybe
call
when
your
they see
present
as
husband.
fit talk to you, fair wait.
Let me to talk to you.
No,
I
auntie,
dey
Yeah.
when
don't
you
use
marry,
that
my husband
language.
dey here.
Don't use that language.
Wait,
Don't use
Wait,
that
fair
language.
wait. Fair talk to you.
your present husband now, or your ex-husband, the wife wey marry, e dey call your present husband for phone.
Now you cause am wey dey call your present husband.
Okay, how she
How?
take us? How she take us?
How?
Because you give am that leg.
Na the leg I wan cut now, you say make I no cut am. You
No,
see?
na me I dey
But
tell
I
you
mind no
so.
go
If you
judge.
no, all this one wey you dey do for social media, so
Now the leg you want
you
cut
dey
to.
Na
no
the
for
leg now I
real.
wan remove
Mama
for
T, I love
ground
you.
now.
I like you.
I
Sometimes
love
if
you
you dey
too,
talk,
Sister Faith.
I dey like you, but you dey no. If nobody tell you, you dey disrespect your
Mama T say
husband
na the leg
well.
you want
Please
cut to.
stop. It's no longer
Mama T
making
na how
sense.
you get there.
Stop,
I tell her say if they
May I
push
calm
goat,
down?
You see my husband, you see my present husband.
yeah.
Now when I say na God gift, na
But you
God
dey
gift. You know,
disrespect
say
am for outside.
now you dey talk that one. My husband knows I
You
no
know whether na your husband
disrespect am.
that give her go ahead
See,
say this is not too
may I
much.
tell you, you know how many times this girl don't post my husband picture, even carry the picture, give so many bloggers. You see me say I don't one day come answer her. No, I no answer her. A lot of things where this girl don't do. You know me before for social media. You don't know me. As the time of Osas diploma, she don't dey with Evergreen. No one get one lady wey they call Evergreen. Now then first start this war wey me never dey TikTok.
Don't please
never
make I
do.
calm down now. I don't eat my
No,
food.
no, no, no,
Good
no, no,
night, eh?
no. Una good morning. Not come down beg. It be like say una dey craze. Una really dey craze for this happen. If person
Why
no
you
want
dey
talk,
insult now? We dey quarrel.
una
You
go
know
make
me
am talk.
before.
You say make she not talk about. I don't understand. To start with, this woman gets children for this man. So you think it's
Serious.
very
I own
easy,
a
dey
one.
easy, make she just move on, make she not talk about person wey dey drag her every now and then. You say you don move on, say you see your husband, you can't forget all your sorrow,
Your
but you
pain
still
die.
come here now dey use am as reference. Why you not just forget about am kpatakpata for life? You no even use am take make, you no need to use am make parable say I get 12 years. You no even need to start from there. Just forget about am, forget about the 12 years. Talk about your present husband. More una dey do well for this app, you get, see wa anyi si unyimu we ma we so wa fara o. Me ma understand why which one be may job may not dey talk about am, may not talk about am, may just learn.
Don't
Person go
please.
post
Good
person
night. Oh,
picture.
make I leave.
No,
Good
not
night.
good
Don't
night,
please.
good morning. Na morning we dey. Na morning we dey.
Even say that.
Mona no dey behave like that. Person dey post person picture up and down. One do at time where for 12 years you no see the man. E no dey pay you, why you talk am? E no dey pay you, why you talk am?
I don't get the
If e
one.
easy, why you talk am?
Winere na, ọgbà ma yagbe.
Ogbamayagbe.
Ọgbà ma yagbe. Keno do mo.
I don't understand. I
You
dey
can't
hardly
expect,
go
you
live,
can't
like
expect
I dey
everybody.
hardly go on live. The thing dey pay me. I just get like una think say e
Hello,
dey easy.
Auntie.
Everybody go dey say move on, move on. E no easy. If e easy, why you can't use your own now? Talk
Auntie
say
Jesus, Auntie
12 years now. For
Only this one
12
is
years now.
what for that?
Epa wa
Jesus,
here
baby.
where.
You
Mommy
can't
Titi la wo wo.
everybody.
Forgiveness na
Mewa
sin
mito,
to
mewa
evil
mito,
people.
mewa.
Dem no dey forgive bad people, especially wey be say na she dey post your picture up and down. Forgiveness, abeg, na do am the way you wan do am. No let anybody come dey tell you say e dey pay you, you want am back. E want her back, she want
I
her
don't even
back.
want her leg not good oh. You move, God forbid.
No, na wetin dem dey talk be that na. Person go dey
Now
talk
they
her
talk,
mind.
now,
Person go
yeah,
dey
I
talk
know
No
wetin
what
dey
matter,
I
pain
it
am.
no good.
Una go dey say, she
know.
want the man back. She want am back. Forgiving evil
Mommy
people
Titi
is
say
a
leg no
sin.
good. Mommy Titi take her easy.
Na big
Leg
sin.
no good.
We no dey
Me, I
forgive
go
bad people for
contribute
this
money, make
side.
they take buy wheelchair for her. I wish
Me
her
I
about
donate.
this night.
Why
I
you
go
we?
contribute money, make they take buy
Ah,
wheelchair for Christian. Oh, total
Auntie,
a
you
wheelchair.
can't insult us. You can't insult me. Say, I say may you forgive her. Now you can't insult us. I
No,
say may you
Mama, I don't
forgive
insult you.
her husband.
No, Mama, I don't
Okay, I
insult
think
you. I
say
don't
you
insult
dey
you.
insult me.
No. God
Oh,
forbid. I know
Auntie
you do that thing.
Jesus, I be
I don't feel
Jesus
insult. Even
baby.
the way they
You
talk,
can't
God
insult
forbid.
everybody. When I say may you forgive the man,
Mama,
everybody,
I walk. A
everybody
lady
can
no
say
buy
your
back.
own opinion.
Not be you they talk.
Okay, okay. Everybody say your own opinion. And me they tell that sister say the way you take put her, e no good. You dey hear my voice. So the way that sister
No,
take
not be you,
talk,
mommy.
you
Mama, not
know,
be you.
not put her away. So I want contact sister, please. If that man, if anything happen to him now, he go still pay you, not be the one way they talk for you because you don't born for him. He go still pay
You
you,
know,
forgive him. Okay? Thank you very much.
be total now.
If anything, do your father.
I
The
rob father. I pray me
priest
another
have to
father.
get there now.
Go up with me. Man, you go
Are we
to
have here where you from?
first way be say your
We
children
just dey
sitting
open
life.
and
You
dey
say
do
the
me.
mark by your father.
Hello,
I rob
good
father.
evening, Don Chris.
That's why
Good evening
they
for this
insult me and my
topic.
children.
This is
God
a
forbid.
this one a very nice topic, and I love that Jesus baby. What she talked just now. Which kind of talk we don't want to talk from mouth? Person they call this woman steady. Today I did a live video. I did a live video today. She calls this woman finish like direct. So I bet Mama Titi continue for me and no stop. Because now if you deserve peace, they'll give you peace. If you deserve war, you'll take the
Wàá
war.
pè é wọ̀wọ̀. Wàá pè
No
é
be
wọ̀wọ̀. Wàá pè é wọ̀wọ̀.
don't praise.
Wàá pè é
Don't praise.
wọ̀wọ̀ àbí?
Don't
Okay.
praise. No.
I
No.
just respect myself.
No.
I'm very
No, don't praise. Don't praise. Don't praise. It's too much. It's too much. Today, okay, she just come back from Nigeria. She just come back.
I just
She just
tired.
come back.
People know your
She
talk
just
with
come
this one.
back. She just come back. Okay, it come like what did she dey plan? They come for where she from the corner. This woman she come face. It does not make sense. If your
No man,
husband is sick,
even though
go
say
face
this
your
woman,
husband.
wait, my sister, a woman now are making noise. Nowhere to it. Even though say she can't even talk to you, mommy 3D. This at this junction, now your right to fair leave this woman face. At least I
Yeah.
don't cause money depression for her body.
It's too much. I'm the one I
Please, I
get to
don't cause
talk.
money depression for this
Una
woman
drop
body.
me,
At
Jare.
this
Thank
junction,
you.
even though say mommy Titi even talk to you say for this junction, you still leave her now. When it came in low, but mommy Titi me. Mommy 3D, they get conscience. Make this matter for mom. Look now.
No be you get power. No be you get power pass.
Where
No
this
be you
mommy
get
Titi
power
now.
pass. No be she get power pass this woman. But if they come meet this woman direct every time like this, it's not that nice anymore. It's not that nice again. Sorry.
Don't please good
Since last
evening.
year. Since last year, come. I better drop me, bros.
Mama
Thank you very
twins.
much.
Thank you.
This
Thank you, sir.
mommy 3D, people more 3D. You know, it too pay me say this jam, you know, if you do anything on the fight for Europe. But if person one person travel the fight to, I want imagine knows your knock better than you. Imagine knows your knock better. Why you swan not get your daddy who get I mean, yatalo. Imagine knows your knock better. Oh, where the man.
Mama, obo vai wono na. Mama rego.
Imagine knows your knock better. Yeah, no get. He like no get, but who has why or got me they no get. On my default. It clear.
Ono ya pole le loto.
When
Ene
you
ba na mi o ya pole le loto. No, that
again,
was
woman, I'm getting back.
Mommy Titi, now you waited this lady. Don't tell you any party where you say, I'm go follow and fight.
He got
I
me
know, but I
back.
won't
He got
give
me
me
back.
the man say I go hold am. Me and
See
the
what you
company
dey talk
have
now. He say, "I no get me the day, no get we go push am for me for me do what."
I said, wait, not dead because listen, I not
Madam,
get a
no
person
go listen
like
because what you don't trust now,
Scott. See,
you know me.
this man 247 we all see it. Not a picture the insulter.
But
What
everybody
does she
the
want from man?
journalists now, some people when they come out the journal say what the woman do is not good. But now
Not
for
be
me to
today,
find
not be
solution, give
today.
them.
This woman, he don't, what he want? What does she want? How come this man don't enter bush?
Okay,
What does she
now,
want?
okay,
Let's be
you say,
human.
Mama, if you see if you beat her, another one go solve the problem. No,
His
anyhow,
body,
no.
ah yes,
You
na
don't solve the
strafing.
problem.
Na strafing.
Madam, the best in na agreement una supposed to do. I think no get settle both of una together now.
I
Remember.
not get say no say this way.
They not get
Mommy
settle
three.
anything, no.
I not
No
get
get
no
settle,
this woman
no
say
settle
this
now.
woman corny. Let's see. I not get a person who I like. I not get a person who I love. I dey talk am. I love that guy. But the thing is, we know when a no get. He don't think na funny, be like Don Prince. Don Prince na funny person. He too na funny person. But me, I know they come up, they can't talk. If you see me come up, they don't can't talk. You know say the thing don't the over person. What do you want me 3D? What do you want me 3D?
Madam, now for you to now this case now, this
No,
case no reach down here.
which not be mommy 3D,
Contact
which
for them, body they hot. Which kind of
wait,
person be this one?
which
Who be
3D
mommy
too
3D?
small.
Who be mommy 3D?
Which
Mudeni
3D
yamana
too small. Na
koyo
Christian,
mune.
I God go
Yama
punish this
koyo
night.
mune.
Na Christian God
Now
go
because
punish.
it's na mommy titi when she meets, na cause na if na some other women when their body they hot, that
You
woman
no go
don't
try
collect
am.
for that
You no
Genesis
go
then.
try am.
Who be this one? Where
Madam,
they
you
say
dey-
not bitter, not bitter.
Madam, you do fake account to the waka, you dey call the
This one they use fake account. Keep quiet for them. Now your sister be mommy titi. You go
quiet
give it
in,
they
when you
bully
go
her.
sleep,
Even
when you
today,
go
this
cook
woman
with your
bully her for
husband.
live stream. She bullied this woman for live stream
Don
today.
Prince, I beg. I'm sorry.
Make
I'm
them
not
fair play
disrespecting
first.
anybody.
Everywhere
Don
go
Prince,
sweet
me
tomorrow.
and you know. Me and
Which
you
kind
know.
of
Because
sense
you
that
know
you
you got a shot for
when
here.
you talk?
It
Woman
don't
no
make
dey
Shati,
talk when
madam.
marry.
The shot.
Do
that one.
anything.
Now you get
I
But
just
power
now
dey
me,
come
the
here, come dey
shot.
but now
talk
you
every
carry
day
road
for
that
live
come give
stream.
me.
Mommy titi, mommy titi, mommy titi. Nyokpa
We
share
all know
no
for
mo
this house say
doma.
Rhoda,
Nyokpa share no mo
Rhoda,
doma.
he
But not
go
be
Now
person
let
bring
there
she
with
don't
the
see
something.
that
soul.
person husband.
Not
Don't
be
let
We
the
the
all
priest
woman
there
know.
get
with
peace.
soul. May one settle the matter. Not be the
You know,
priest.
let the woman
Be the
get peace.
host. See
People
host.
they when
Let
they born for another person husband, they get peace. They did their house. You know, not let the woman get peace. You not take care of children for how many years? Still here, see they drag the woman. You see they drag the woman, not soon. Oh, good bear, now.
Who you go?
Which kind woman, which kind person be that one? She be like skeleton. A skeleton be a gwen mommy titi gwan.
I know you
She don't get
understand
sense, she
though.
don't get
If they,
respect. She don't get
ma tell
respect to her
you, my
mama.
sister,
Now make
wait,
she don't get
please.
respect mommy titi.
My sister, ma
madam,
tell you one
madam,
thing.
madam,
You don't
madam.
get
This
respect to her
madam,
mama.
this one
Now
no be
make you don't
Don't
get
blind.
please.
respect mommy titi. Because if
Now
you
Don't
get
bring
please.
respect to
me.
her mother,
I
she go
want to tell
know
you
say mommy
something.
titi senior her.
Pardon,
Bros,
please,
She
ma
know
tell
say
you
me
bring
they
me,
something.
don't
come
talk
and
her
do
this one
am.
senior that
No,
girl,
they like this
31
guy
years old.
one by one.
Eh? Which kind of nonsense be
Epa,
that one?
I
The
bet
girl no say
wait,
na
I bet
mommy
my
titi na
sister
my
wait.
sister.
Blessing,
Me go
blessing,
come
take her
buy
easy.
ticket. I'll come meet her for that journey. Oh, come be here. Oh, come be here. I
Madam,
be here. They go do
madam,
your picking. If you picking marry now,
madam,
go do
as your
picking
body
like
they
that.
hot like this, you supposed to not reach
Which
Jeremy
kind
to
of sense be
zero.
that one?
This
If
one you
she
call the
tell us
sharp
say na
for
mommy
the
titi,
priest.
oh.
You call
He
the
tell
sharp
us
for
say na
here.
mommy
Why you not
titi.
go Jeremy go fatter? You call the sharp for here this night. You supposed to not reach
May
Jeremy
you
since.
wait now.
Not be Europe
Now
you
so
there.
now go there now
Now
una go
Israel
dey
you
clap
there.
for her. One day they go
Where
beat
now
that
Israel
woman
you
for
there.
there.
I've been in
More
Pakistan.
na continue to dey clap for her. More na
Big colleagues.
continue.
Share your feet, they
One thing
protect us,
I
they protect
there.
her for you. So.
No, madam, I'm not a protector, but I just try
You
to
dey
tell you so you
protect
try. You
her.
don't get the
Even
joy.
today, this
Not be
girl do
I
live
expect
stream.
you
They
may you
insult
speak,
this
say
woman. Why you not go meet her
that
for
man,
I
woman
just
dey live
for
stream
no,
from
I just
10
settle
o'clock to 2
myself
me,
together.
o'clock.
I really like video, you
10
know,
o'clock
walk
to 2
away.
o'clock was
At least
insulting
I go
her.
2 hours with
No, my
Derek.
sister, waiting colleagues be the talk because mommy Titi say visa for any party now he will draw follow ground.
All this
See, I
woman
can't hear the
rapper, colleagues
local.
they talk
So
like
now
woman.
make
Wait,
colleagues
If
they
now
dey
your
drag
sister,
say,
they
Make
will
him
talk
mark
your
hey,
am
take her
sister.
o.
easy.
Make
Every
you go
blessed
mark
day
am.
they go
Make
they
she
insult your
mark
sister
am.
for live stream.
From
Insulting
today,
children journal.
make him
The,
If
mark
mommy
am.
titi
the
now
Any
priest, you
insult
see, I
party
you,
don't
where
dey
you
let
you go
go,
person
carry and
talk.
call
Oh, this
she
police.
lady
go,
boy just
they
come
go
up.
beat
Eh?
am.
May I
Make she
leave
go
una,
mark
may I
am.
go
Which
relax.
kind of nonsense be all those one?
Make she
May
Madam,
you
mark
not
come
be.
am.
insult me, may see. I go
Blessing,
on live video for here.
Blessing, take her easy. You your new call, you not blame anybody talk
I
again.
just
Blessing,
tire.
take her
I just
easy.
tire. And the body, the way when the
Una
body
good
take the
evening.
pepper person, they don't dey scratch out. If you scratch
Good
her body, go
evening.
clean. Madam,
You
na
know
mama
say
thinking
no
don't
easy,
ready.
mommy Titi see the beer.
I
But at
know
least
she
for
don't
still
already
encourage
try.
her,
She don't already
no
try.
for you say do this
Of
thing.
course, she don't already
So
try.
I
Make
make
she
make
don't try
bless mommy
finish.
Titi. Na come
Make
push her,
she
they
don't
come go
try
see that
finish.
woman for this thing. You can't go do and waiting us about the woman come fall for ground now. They not see you again.
The priest, Mama Titi don't
You
try.
no
Make
go
she don't
die.
try finish. Not be today,
Ewo.
day. Not be today.
It's
When
just
the
so.
problem start. Make you just make all those
So
people wait
now
come
mommy
shout for
say
here.
do this matter.
The
It is
problem.
because we know say mommy Titi, the pain in her is too much.
I
So
know,
that
but
is
it's
why
not
they tell the
easy. It's
man
not
now.
easy.
That
Couple
man,
months. Ogun ọgbẹ́ra gbìyọ̀ wá sun wo ogun ọgbọ́ ọ̀fà kókó dùyàdá wá tún wù ọ̀wọ́ èèyàn ex move on ogun ọgbẹ́ra gbìyọ̀ àwa bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwa bí wá yóò bẹ̀ wẹ̀yìn.
These people. The priest, man, Miss Why.
okay, let's see.
Madam, God bless you and God will give you strength. You don't try. So you
Thank
don't
you.
try.
Thank you. Who the Mama Irene they insult you for comment section?
Mommy
Yeah, no,
Titi.
they say let's move on. Obi yes, we want move on. Ogun ọgbẹ́ra gbìyọ̀ yàrá mi gbọ́ na move on.
Who they cry now? Now me they cry, be na road that they cry. You dey say
Mommy
move on.
Titi.
Eje.
No vessel. I be wan ask question. I think say they don't settle this matter since now.
Since where they settle around, you don't see road that they insult me up and down. They enter different platform, they insult me. You know see am?
Again? No, I not
Away.
see her.
As he just come back from Nigeria, now maybe the first person where she fair go insult for Zadi platform, which I saw the video. Even before she come out, she dey insult me. You know the way with no get wife dey one platform where she dey insult me. Me, I dey tolerate them well.
God of peace, I greet
Honestly,
you.
I dey bear am.
But wetin me go like talking, no be to see her for party fight her. You go try report her to the authority. German na law
Nyama,
country. Let's take it
nyama,
They're
to
not
the
the fast
authority.
case. Me, I show you how many
nyama.
times. I get 3 times report. They're not the fast case. It's too they slow. So me, I just beat and me arrest.
No, but if you can't beat her now, something can't happen to her.
Nothing they happen as traffic. Well, I'm if you wear a bit dustbin as traffic.
You got a problem, you know. I bet for now, cookie go your place.
Me wait, change. She not know me. If friend, one of your friends supposed to tell her, I change, oh. I just change, but they push me.
Bro,
I dey
Sata, I
take
think
myself say
for this
no.
matter, Baba.
No.
But Enoge, since now Enoge wife dey there
talk.
when she dey talk her, Enoge supposed to call the wife in order, and the other day I no want insult anybody, wetin go make anybody vex. The other day I think there was bias anyway, but as the woman bring her up again, Enoge supposed to talk put.
Ellie, get patient.
Nothing not good.
No, not bring Enoge because Enoge by himself know the truth. Enoge see me for ground. I know wetin tell me. I no be that kind of person say you tell me what I can't do and sing for live video. I know you do that kind of thing. As he talk, he still explain the whole part to me. Say, Mama T, you didn't say I don't know the truth, but I just want everybody to go their way, and I understand. Everybody not feel be like you. Everybody not feel be like me, which I understand. Everybody say okay, now your own way be that one. But why she coming out every time? If I come out once, my own go lad. You go be like saying I made they look for the trouble.
Who the right S move on? The man the right there. Man the right S move on.
They come out every day. If I did my own video, she will come to use fake account, come they insult me for my own video. I don't get fake accounts. I dey talk now. Even this one.
Mama T, 1 minute. This bros want to talk to you.
Okay, brother.
Mama T, you know, say you not mother. You understand? If you look that woman, so many people there against Mommy T radio. You understand? Before that woman gonna come out, he not get mad. That man we get for us, you be like saying be they don't shit for that man head.
God go bless you.
They shit for that man head. The man not get break. He break don't loss. How man go their house? Woman will born for you. You know how many children? Not be 1 year, not be 2 years. Your children don't grow. You don't feel stop that woman say, no, they saw this woman. I get picking for me.
Yeah.
The man yours there the mumu for house. That man the mumu. What that some men some men to mumu. How you go to use alarm they insult you? What you go tell her say at the house? This woman get children for me. Now the man they give her hand say okay go to insult this woman. The man breed all laws.
Now make me go insult her tomorrow. Tomorrow now you I go sit down and give her.
The man breed all laws. That man not get breed again for this world. Maybe the sham where the breed come. If they don't virus that man not exist again.
God go bless you. Don't
that
want
man not exist again because woman not feel born for person. You can't say that sounds of women. So man we already this Europe. So woman now which I be just calm down. I know say you know easy. Like they wash you the way you want to bully you.
Couple a month so now she they do all these things what they do so. Come out now, come use your account to talk now. How bad you are.
Couple months. One here na that day yes so.
Now she they use to insult me today.
Now she dey yes so that listen to me. You not go to do anything. Now the type of woman when you meet mommy teething because you say they know they talk.
Brother dey here.
Now they write those rubbish and they follow her up for that comment.
Okay, that one they S move on that she.
Couple months na she Orema.
Brother, don't do by you,
live video from 10 o'clock till this program was insulting this woman. Yesterday, the same thing. He got that Zadi when bleach. That one too. Two of them just sit down, carry the thing, put for table and joko. Dinya wa nene ni nyeba. Zadi ma be meti be gwegwa we madam, you rest for this woman matter. The woman since how many months? She never come out for you. You rest for this woman matter. No, they talk this woman matter. The woman come out now this evening now. Then they tell say, Madam Helen, you say you not see the video when you take the insult community. They blend your eye.
Madam, no, please don't throw insulting words at me.
This one not be insult. I ask you question. You know they use now take they see live video when they go on this 2 days now, be 3 days now. You know they see and not be this live video you know they see TikTok. They
Why you want cry for another person matter? Calm
I
down.
know they cry for
Calm
another
down.
person
No.
matter.
She know they cry. That
Keep
the day
quiet.
can say
No,
I
they
have
tell
that
me
one.
say
Why
The
do
where the insult. Nobody is insulting anybody. It's not
You
train
never see the
insulting
live
words.
stream.
Eh?
Go
But stop
Europe
pretending
Saga,
like
you
you
go see
don't
am
know
for
what
there
is
if you never see
happening.
am. Make
Why are
I
you
tell you where
pretending
to
hell
go.
like
Europe
you
Saga
don't know
is
what is
there.
happening?
Gossip
Mama
Weird is there.
Titi,
Edo Blog is there. You
Mama
will see them
Titi,
there.
I know wetin dey
Even
happen.
today
I
live
think say they
stream
don
is there. Go
settle the
and watch it.
matter since.
Go and watch it. If they come, we never see the video when for the insult the woman. Now the woman no agree move on. Now the woman no agree move on.
Must everybody be on social media? Now what for
Why
you?
are you
How
here?
other things
What are you
dey?
looking
As I
for in
just
this
hear
place?
her. You, what are you looking for?
What are you doing here? You ask a question, I'm replying you. What are you doing here?
We
If
never
everybody, me, I
they
want
call
to be
it
on
now.
black app.
The
And me,
winner
What are
they
you
what are
doing
you
here?
doing? Let me ask you the question.
But
Come
why
on
is he
social
pretending?
media
Why is he
since.
What are you
pretending?
doing
Helen,
here?
why are you
Why
pretending
you
like
not
you
go
don't know
tell
what's
Rhoda
going
what she
on?
dey find for
And you
TikTok?
know,
When they insult
Winner
another
don't
woman when wish to
jawala,
born
winner
am.
matter.
If mommy Titi decide to boy, go borrow that 2 times. Because Rhoda don't get respect for your mama, so enough you get respect to other people. If they carry people, they insult people when reach to born her, both the one when she's senior, both the one with the senior, they insult everybody. And you say you never see her. You never see her.
Wait,
No,
madam,
no, no,
wait.
you
Tomorrow
no
she
go
go come
fight.
You
You no
extreme.
don't
go
know what
see.
I'm talking
Tomorrow she
about.
go
You
Even
are
if
come
you
getting
extreme, they
fight
come see
first,
what
everything
she
you no
dey
go
wrong.
do.
enter na hell they go.
You are getting everything
Olórí
wrong.
Tomorrow
burúkú
she go
olè.
enter live stream, madam. Go help
Adọ́kọ̀dọ́kọ̀
mommy
olè
best
olórí
3D. Go see
burúkú
her for live video tomorrow.
wèrè.
May you see what she dey do for there. In Winere, carry another person matter they talk. You no go talk your own.
My
You no
dear,
go use your husband to advise
blissful
people.
is
How you
okay.
take
Don't
snatch
do.
person your husband? You no go talk am. You no go use your marriage to dey encourage other people. How to snatch person your husband? How to collect person your husband? And you go stop your husband from not taking care of the first children. You no go talk those one. You go dey insult the woman.
you know, tell the one Angola man take fuck am for inside flower.
You no
Fuck
go
am
talk
for
all those
inside
one.
car.
You go dey
They
talk
call
only
me.
the woman own. If I no get fair talk for this matter that day, they say the man they bias. Okay, what you want me the man talk? Make go beat mommy
Mama
Titi.
Titi, who they knock inside flower?
Na
Na
Rhoda.
Rhoda na.
Agola man fuck am for
See
inside
all the
flower.
verse
Who
me.
be Agolama? Where for say Agolama?
He see am for his
Why?
city.
And he deal with your husband that time.
Now the man can't beat am, he can't call police for the man. Now the Agola woman,
Which one be
the
single
guy,
mother?
the
Not be
man wife,
single mother. Oh, I am
the man
married.
wife,
Go and check my
na he carry
profile.
Rhoda
I
come
am
out to
married
the
with 3
voice record
children.
day now.
Married for Italy.
The
I'm
Hey,
married for
husband
Nigeria.
they
deal with
fuck
I
am
your
am
for.
married
husband.
though.
Yes, now your
Agolama go
husband.
chop
Be
am for
single
flower.
mother.
I say your husband they fuck am for inside flower with inside car with one of his friend house where they call Beckley. So make they run away for Rhoda. Okay,
Wait, the
he get
husband
Rhoda
that knock
nakedness.
Agola woman, being that the woman they knock Agolama.
Now Rhoda they knock Agola man. Then he can't they send a nude go they give the Agola man. The girl now the man can't give phone to his pikin. So as the pikin they play with phone, he can't enter where not supposed to enter. He can't go show his mama. Then mama say, what be this one? Now I call the husband sit down say, Alpha, the verse record dey o. Don't be say na lie.
You get
So
the
Alpha
first record there.
my colleague get her. Tomorrow I say make she said I'm
Your colleague, you don't get colleague.
I get colleague get there for this media. My colleague. My
Your
friend, my
colleague
colleague.
get the
No, this
record.
one not me, I not use laptop, I not be lie. Oh. Record there. To be
Okay, the
found.
Agola man call they say Igbola they give Rhoda.
Road that they send the kpekus they give Agolama.
Rhoda, they send Ikpekus
Yes.
give.
Yes, when he does my
Yes,
which time
the
on
man
my
come Peter
husband?
come call police for her husband for one leg stand. Now you see the man and one leg in get.
He husband
One
go
leg
beat
stand.
her.
The man come Peter, he call police. He not go come and come tell us that one because of shoe. The woman said that because of shoe and money. Now your husband they fuck am for inside flower and inside car. Road that can't debunk am. We will bring record tomorrow.
Okay,
Nobody
I
will
don't
talk about
understand.
that thing.
The road that one made the Agola man give her money, I don't understand.
Nah, he dey
I
fuck
bet who know
Agolama
the
dey
story,
collect
make us
money.
talk well. Mona send request. Who know the story? Mona can tell us the story well. I'm very, very interested in the story. I'm very, very interested in the
Agolama
story.
dey
Don't
Man,
breathe,
your
because
husband inside
send
flower.
request if you know the story well.
Tomorrow I'll tell my friend me do one for live video. You screen record am. Na Dutch in take talk am. The woman talk
Make
am.
it bring a man translator.
Okay,
Somebody
now
say they bring am up.
The Angola wife now they expose the soul, Abi.
There's somebody bring
Now
am
they
up. Oh,
expose
somebody
Rhoda
know.
too.
He said, "Bring me up." Somebody
Okay,
know the story.
Angola man wife now they expose.
Rhoda.
They say help me. Not say request me they help you. How they want to help you? You say the Angola man wife now they bring go now they expose Goya so
Now
as
they
a
expose Rhoda.
Rhoda.
Yes. Say
Okay.
Rhoda they friend the husband. You know, say na Clara now she dey bear. That's why she call na Clara. Say Clara they friend her husband. May they run away for Clara. May not let Clara enter her household. She dey tell the woman we call her. Say he see Clara nakedness for your husband picture, your husband phone. Then he call Clara husband. The man call they say na lie. Say Clara not fit cheat. Rhoda not fit cheat. Now the woman send the picture of Rhoda go give Rhoda husband say see person wey say no fit cheat. The record dey. Don't be say for mouth, but nobody fit
The
talk
picture
about that
not
one.
come out. The woman not say the picture come out.
No, the woman not send the picture. You only talk then talk for record. Nobody talk about her. She's cheating, and the man come accuse me for what me not do. Accuse almost like wheelchair. Away, must like wheelchair.
Rhoda, if all this thing where they talk so not true, I understand even why.
Now me you come they say move on. You way go the fuck Angola man. Come the bunker if na lie. Why you not talk about the Angola man since we the reason sing? Tomorrow, Mommy Joyous go play the record. You go play the voice record again and again. The Angola man he post you for inside flower and inside car.
Mommy Joyous for Yaku Odogun.
He play the voice record. They play every time.
Marvelous, Mama, wait, let Marvelous what tell us the story. Marvelous, I greet you.
I don't want to talk. Baby, let me tell her, say, me you block me because I want it the way she want to cry tomorrow.
Another who want to block you?
Mommy, 3D, I beg. I don't say she did, make sure you block me because I want to see her blood tomorrow.
You want? That that you want see us? You want to cry tomorrow? What do you want cry for?
Because he don't tell her the right time. No one reply me. He block me today. I tell her something. Get what I tell her. He can't block me. I bet me let me tell her, say, me you block me. Because I want to see that tears tomorrow.
Yeah, she not come and do video. She want to do video reply, Mama.
You go come out. You know, say
You go
not
come
get
out
shame.
anyway. I'm allowed anyway.
Waiting me for beg road at this junction. Make it leave
Let me
Mama
beg
Titi.
her. Don't please let me beg her. May you block me. I
May
did
you
beg
block
her.
you. All this in never tire you. May you block you.
Because the two
This
they
is
fight trouble.
never tire
Any
you.
small thing, go straight to mommy 3D. Ima to they run papa. I won't see blood tomorrow.
You
I
know, I
bet.
don't
I
know.
don't say she dey here.
No verse, Mama Titi, no verse. When you work in the desena. I'm sorry to use this language. And I'm one that I remember we think about.
Oh, you buy me. I can't learn. You learn so. I buy your mom see me at any place. Ever mom see me if you are waiting to get what they get now.
Okay.
But Mama Titi, the time when you know this man, only so this man be the time when you know
like,
this.
they
I
say
don't
this
talk
man is
finish now.
smell.
Okay, don't please. I don't talk my may you
They
block me.
say
I want
this
see
man
that
is
blood
smell.
tomorrow.
Like
Drop
nobody.
me.
What the person to go find?
Drop me. Now that why I can't tell. I know say she dey here.
Okay, I don't want you can't tell her. May just block you.
Yes, I want see that
Don't
blood. Because if I dey cry water before.
Yeah.
Which person for this life go do marriage? They go use ogbolo and padodiam to do cake, serve
I don't understand what you talk. Person go do marriage. I don't understand.
like you do marriage now. Say they will bring cake. I not you not do church marriage. We just dey shout saying do church marriage. Not do. The one we do for
Drop
you.
me now. Drop me. I want to go
You.
comment section.
Like you do. Like me now. I do marriage. I do for church. I do tradition. I never do court marriage. Yeah. Then if you do church wedding, they will cut a traditional marriage. You cut cake. You feed your husband with cake. Now, but soup that they feed husband with on marriage day.
Now,
They give this one for Uromi, not your pokio.
wait, I don't understand where Mommy Titi. Ogbolo soup. Now they give your
Christian chop
for marriage.
Ogbolo the marriage not real mogbe. Ogbolo
I'm not hearing you.
Like it since where you talk Ogbolo, since where come back for Uromi. You don't fair good.
Mommy Titi, Ogbolo soup. Now they give her for marriage. You know where they
as cake. As cake, not your pokio.
I have a little things to say. Mama Titi, Mama Titi.
Mama, the talk at the year.
May God bless you, ma, for your patience. Please,
Amen.
where emega sunune no lulu eje kotu ya fe ya winya iya mi boya ri wina.
Mama, maybe
Please,
ye cutty. A cutty,
I'm coming,
a
ma.
cutty,
I'm
mammy, I
coming.
prepare a bay your
I'm
tone. Where
coming, ma.
brother?
Please. I'm coming, ma. Please, mami, me ma sunu. Problem never start. Now we they have friends. If problem don't start,
And maybe they try to push stuff so man see whether the thing will fit calm.
you will not see somebody that will follow you go to anywhere. Everybody will say they not get chance. They want go work. Now Europe will do. Please, man, use your sense. You know what I mean. Please, don't let anybody push you to do anything. If you fight now, maybe that one at the hospital, you will go to jail or you will go to court.
No, Jay. I don't beat two people for this
Mommy, I
distance.
just they give you advice. Just listen to me. If I say my own finish now, you can say anything. Please, ma, as a good woman, I go look your posture. Mommy, you are a beautiful woman. You understand? Forgive your ex-husband. Forgive him according to the way I said before.
Yes.
Because if you fight now, or we all of us here, for example, we push you to do anything that is not good. Nobody will follow you. Me, I
Nadia,
don't get I take
you
follow
don't know
you
me,
go
not talk about
Mama,
talk
your
about
husband
your
go follow her. Your
talk
husband go
yourself.
follow her go the court.
Talk
Your
for
Wait,
husband,
wait,
yourself.
your husband go
brother.
follow her go the court.
Whether
Mama,
Mama,
talk for
Mona
yourself.
wait,
rest. Your husband
wait
go follow
now.
her go the
Mama,
court.
when I know it's not Mama, may I answer Mama. As you go
Mm.
view my TikTok, how you see me? I be one man squad. Mama,
Mommy, I don't
Mama,
know
wait,
person
may
wey
I
una
answer you
dey talk
now?
about o.
Mama, wait.
Person wey una dey talk about, I don't know. I no even
Mama,
watch
wait,
the
Mama,
video.
wait.
I no
I
know.
just dey take your word as a mother, and at the same
Okay.
time, there are way a mother will advise you. Tell Mama, say, Mama, no, this thing I have to do it because the Bible said right from the time of John the Baptist, say the
The
kingdom of God
kingdom of
suffer
God
violence.
suffered violence,
Only
and violence
violent
was
one that
taken
taketh
by
it by
force.
force.
Yeah.
So
That
this time, it is either I take my peace by force or no more.
that
See,
Okay.
problem
I
not there.
wan ask you a question, ma. If make God not let anything happen to that man as he dey sick now, and
Mm.
he's the father of your children, you don't know that he will still pay you that something happened to him.
Oh, mommy,
And you
mommy,
will blame
mommy, mommy,
yourself.
Mudia, EJ.
A time is coming, man. You will still blame yourself. Say, I
Mommy,
don't know how for
if
forgive
you
am.
talk, you allow me to answer you. Mommy, it can only pay me if that man is valid to the life of the children. Since
Yeah.
he's invalid, he's no longer existing to me. He has gone time before today. So as long as he's not valid in the life of my children, he's not valid in anywhere. So I don't think I have anything to do with anything that happened to him.
Mommy, Agayawe time, forgive her. May God
EJ,
but
bless
I
you.
yeah,
get one
Oman
I
for
get one man.
forgiveness. Oman no, I know
Don't
he forgive
please.
her.
I beg
Oman
I
no,
fit talk. I beg not talk. I won't go beg. I'll
Oman
go
no give her.
small. I beg.
Okay, talk.
You know, when I dey grow they come as a young girl, they say if you born for man and maybe not marry and you know can't work out, you know, maybe you not can separate.
Now, please,
You
don't
understand?
like you have a Tori now. La mama, enjoy yourself. La izebo la wa azedo la wo ko. You don't need to come away. Koje.
Okay, everyone does
Tashara
say,
fiamani
Martin,
dasho.
Okay.
everyone
Ah,
does
nene,
say, you don't understand the English we speak.
bonus there. The English when they speak, they cause a headache for her. I best speak PG or
Imagine,
Benin.
I don't make the woman come out, that the woman don't vex
Mama o.
further.
The priest, where that nene bo. Where go was sugu where
Okay,
bonus there.
everyone don't say,
Where
we're baseball in my mouth, what's the...
well, madam, imagine madam, what is something? Well, madam, it can be madam. What if is something happen to that man?
Last day the day I
La
say
nene
I
boy,
get no kwano.
nene boy, I want me friend, if my for me,
You get
man.
no kwano
Ah,
was
They don't present it very
mouth of
after the
pity
ban. Well,
better.
well, you
Bye
know,
bye,
if you are,
well.
if listen,
Yeah, na
listen,
agbe wọn.
Wamujane,
Na agbe wọn.
iya
Ìwénere rẹ̀
wa,
wá taki ìwénere. Wà á gbọ̀ máa wá. Everybody ìwénere
don't
Mayaji.
please,
APC Maji.
Lamuda, nigga get to Tana, You know, say they are not to Tana is because of the question the whole no or Timeba. Let me reply. Erenede, if marriage could not work out, and if the two couples have children, or if the two people have children, and it couldn't work out, what will happen? Enough what you buck, but the only person that can respect me, the only man that will respect me, that will not molest me, is the father of my children.
Yeah.
Because we have bound together.
Yeah.
But when I such things does not exist. Because when we're trusting it, even if it didn't work out, because of the bond you guys have together, that person will not even say, oh, hey,
Yeah.
you understand? She, when you robot dona, or where he trusted any biena. Oh, that way I trust him. I know what he can do. I can vouch for him. But at this point, my vouch now my bugbe. He's not supposed to be like that. You understand?
Yeah.
You know, nobody, let me tell you, we better not say, and I like to talk. In how I don't like, giving my opinion sometimes. It's because TikTok is not funny. I want no, they will share. Oh, threatening no one, you way back. You know, I go deal with
They saw a hospital bed. They saw a hospital bed.
Oh, Jesus Christ. They will be threatening you. You are, oh God. He are threatening way. When, why don't we share? Okay, why not? What are you for? Oh, what do you know me? I go deal with you. Eti dog. Efo we yako.
Let me get it.
Nothing men na no wa mu dia wana eh. Veni mega de momitri di e wo ima e pagbe no be
Okay, as this matter be now, we are momitri di voto with the dead.
He did na go e o papa ya gbe. Ni afiasa ya gbe. Ni go e we no nota. We no o squari o sku no nota. We no nota ya kama o wanigi. Mega de coin. E afiasa gbe mo e. Yes, traffic gare, imamiru ya pay. Iye keni ala igo ni ladi. No zizo, uwa we okpeni nana ke gun waze. Uwa momitri ke na momitri di. Egeni egeni my way.
I'm to speak English, may carry everybody along now.
Okay. Where do I know that Mommy 3D? I knew her on Facebook when she was sagging Mommy Joyous. That was about 3-4 years ago.
Hi, madam, good evening. Sorry, I just come to interrupt you for what you just said now. Do you say you live in Germany? And you
Yes.
stroke that lady? Don't waste time. You know where our kids' school is, right? So
Madam, you know see person for you before you climb up the talk. You know see say we dey wait for line.
Listen. You guys are just like pushing this woman. You're pushing her. You want her to go commit. So at the end of the day, you all will back.
Shut up,
wait,
Shut
let
up,
me answer her.
This woman,
Ring,
she comes
let
out
me
every
answer her.
morning. She do her morning devotion. She has ignored this lady. I watch her every morning where she's praying. My sister, let the sleeping dog lie. You guys, some of these people, some are in prison, some are in the hospital, some are dead human beings. You guys all are coming here to just like, you want to wake the sleeping dog. Please, Mama Tiridi, you're not in, Mama Titi, you are not in for this, please. I follow you up on your platform. I don't want to climb up. You pray every morning. So what are you going to teach tomorrow morning?
This is too much.
Okay, my sister, have you ever go to our platform?
You don't know her. You
don't
know
go.
her.
Keep on ignoring her. Keep on ignoring her.
Yeah,
Keep
have you ever go to our
please.
platform to stop her from insulting me? Have you ever done that?
Yes.
I won't do that because I don't know her. I know you. I don't know her. I know you. That's why I climb up.
If you love me,
I know you. That's why I'm here.
Okay,
Madam,
thank you.
I love you as a sister. Please, I want to beg you. Do not be pushed by anybody. Do not be pushed.
I'm not
allow the spirit of God to take over.
I'm not a child. I'm not a pushover woman. I'm not a pushover
she will
person.
just take a stroke. She will stroke her. Madam, I am telling you,
she's my sister.
Madam, if you want to stroke her tomorrow morning, go block her in school and stroke her. Don't say that. We
Who
are
said he's
ladies.
going to school to
We
soccer?
have mothers. We should be
Who told you he's going to
responsible.
school? Yeah, we will
Listen,
talk well.
listen.
Carry your tongue, go
Oh,
with me.
the
Talk
one
well.
that is
Abeg,
speaking
no,
over
Finish
there,
with
is she not
the Oyibo will
responsible?
not
She's not
dance
human,
somebody.
she's
You
not
just
mother.
put fire.
Yes,
Sister
They
Rim,
put
would I
fire.
yes,
Why
answer
would
you?
they put
soccer.
fire?
Sister
Emma
Rim, would I
now.
answer you?
Wabia wanemo.
Princess.
How are they going to
Sister
describe
Rim,
you in
yeah.
your community?
Hello.
Why
Mommy,
push
mommy
Can you just
princess,
wait?
you enter with your English now. Who your
Can you
English
just
help?
Shut
wait?
up, my
I
mouth.
Well,
wish you
now,
can also go
You
to the other
talking
side and
anyhow.
advise
Stop
her.
Mama,
that. I don't
enter
like
with your
it.
English though. What say? Thank you very much.
I wish you can go to the other
Let's be
side
real.
and
No.
also talk to her. I think that would have been better. I will appreciate that.
Yes,
Mama
If you also
Tori,
go to her and
Now, true
advise
be,
her
true be
and
that.
tell
You know
her
they
to
see
stop
her.
bullying me
lying.
and
Even
stop
when she
her
even
to
Mama
come from
Tori,
Nigeria,
Mama
see that
Titi.
na
tell her
mommy
to stop insulting me.
na her matter.
Mama
Na
Titi.
na pursue her come
Mama
from
Titi,
Nigeria.
you know why I climbed
No,
up?
please,
Now
where can
because
you
you
see?
see,
They
you
teach
did.
English.
Every
Now, wow,
one
when you have
Hey, yeah, now we're
No.
when they school,
This one am my auntie. We say won't go fight for Jenny. She fear fight past anything. She not go even want me anything dent her skin. Somebody will say won't go even use cane flock person. And you're here, you say you go just pluck cane, go beat person.
know they make
And you
man.
ain't going to do that. Why
Bless you,
you
tell her.
encouraging her to
Me,
do that?
I know they make
Excuse
man.
me, I'm
You
going
can
to
Tell
do
her,
it.
Princess.
tell her, make she know.
This your English.
Me, I
Princess.
know they make man.
So, Princess, yeah, so where? Yeah,
Princess, you don't do.
when you have to English, I put on so where?
Titi,
Pardon, please, allow them, make them let me talk now, eh?
Wait, when I do
It's
one by
okay,
one,
please.
No,
Yes,
I mean
let's
they
calm
wait
her
things.
down,
Wanna
please.
calm down
No
now.
fighting,
This one your
please.
climb up, they speak English. You not get no go school, my sister. Oh.
My
You don't
sister,
get no
I
go
don't care
school.
about you. I'm not here because of you. You can go ahead and do whatever you want to do. I don't
But
know
I come
you.
before you now. No cost me.
Mama, you can't be
Next
begging for here.
week.
You can't be people for here. Maybe you enter us your English.
I just want to make you guys calm down. That's it, please. We are all family, please.
No, we not be family. We know that. We not be know that family. Thank you very much,
Y'all
mommy.
finish our princess. Now why y'all burying her?
They can't do me nothing.
The princess.
They can't do me nothing. They can't even try because you know why? You know why they can't even do nothing? You're wrong. That's straight to life. What has she done? You say you won't go beat her, you want to do this, you
Princess,
want
why
to do
I'm
that.
angry, eh? Mommy, Rhoda
No, but I don't want them to push this lady because she's a good woman.
Nobody is pushing her. Nobody is pushing her. Nobody is pushing her.
Mama, I beg. Una dey beg her. Now wait till now still they do be that.
We
I
know they, I
beg.
know they beg
We
us.
know they beg her.
calm
We
down,
know
my
she
calm
beat
down.
her
I
for
beg.
us because
And
she
we
with
know
the
they-
way she
yeah,
was saying. You don't understand.
I understand. Mama Titi, every morning she dey do money devotion. If you know the
We
follow,
say we did there with the money devotion of her. We did the money
you not
devotion together.
lie. This woman, tomorrow morning you go
Now
see her
all of
early
us,
at
they do the
6:30.
money
She don't dey
devotion,
online.
mommy.
I never see you once. I dey always dey there.
You don't
What are
need to
you
see
saying,
me.
man?
You don't need to see me
Now your
for
members
there.
get this one.
We did
Don't
there. We
do
be a
that.
member.
Don't
Mommy
do that.
Titi.
Don't do that,
May I
man.
understand the TikTok here? Not be if
Hey,
I think
members, prayer.
You know,
We
sister,
be
our
a
spirits don't
member.
calm
We
down.
did there
Not Christian,
together.
no. Very strong
no, my
Christian,
spirit
no.
calm
This
down, my
woman.
sister. No,
Una
that
beg,
She
I
did
una
everything
wait,
she
I
want
beg,
to do.
I beg.
Devotion. It means say inside
Mama
A
the
Titi.
strong
outside.
woman, I beg. Please. We shouldn't pull out the beast in her, man.
So okay, now we'll start from do me, I do you.
So
Do
you
me, I
can
do
please
you.
you can drop me.
Princess,
You
what
can
do you
drop
run
me.
ahead?
That's
Waiting
just why I'm
happen.
here. You
Okay,
can
man.
drop me,
Princess,
please.
thank you, Princess. Just talk. Everybody get your opinion.
Hello, boy. Hey,
Oh yeah, do me, I
princess.
do you. Talk your
Mama Titi, I agree
talk
to Mama.
everything.
Mama,
I do so
wetin me I
too.
get to tell you be say, do your mind because nobody know I take dey pay you for body. As me dey so if na me, the person call dey insult me online, I for don't go cash and beat am, see me see you since. I know me knows that because I don't no let anybody that advise you, oh mama, please, you are a child of God, you are a Christian woman. They don't know how they do you for body. Mama, if you cash and beat am, may you know where they pay now. Because okay,
Then I get there.
how you get man for us, your man no fit talk to you. That one a liability man. How you go say you my husband all the time? Your husband no fit caution you. Say
You know,
no,
say
no
that's
cause
why
mother of
they
my
beat
children.
you,
It no make sense now. It no make sense. Mama, what I want you to tell you if you beat am so far,
Which I will beg you be say, may we the online winner people, may we see her. No, your tea. No, tea. No, tea.
Okay, God they look you. Oma, next.